Moving satellites is a pretty delicate business. You can't afford to scratch them or get even the slightest bit of smear on them, or they just don't work. So moving them is important. Nasmyth, a UK company based in Coventry, has been developing a system of transportation with Airbus, and here today Peter Smith, who's the chairman and CEO of Nasmyth, is going to explain to us how that works. So Peter, you've got a model here, a 1/20th I think. Tell us how that works.
Yes, well this is a transportation container for the new NEO satellites being produced by Airbus Space and Defence. They're the largest satellites that Airbus Space and Defence have produced to date, and this will be moving the first of those satellites and then a succession of later models around the Airbus manufacturing sites to allow easy manufacturing of the component parts and then the complete assembly of the final satellite and its transportation to the launch pad wherever that may be in the world. The actual container is solid walled. This is open structure to give you some indication of what the internal structure is like, and to show in particular the internal mechanisms for supporting and moving the satellite when it's being used. It has a rail system which is suspended on air suspension, so when it locks down automatically until you pressurize the suspension, lift the satellite up, and then it will slide out of the container through a door at the rear. That door has to be a complete single door so that you don't have any three-way joints like you would do on a conventional steel container for general transportation. It's pressurized, it's air conditioned, it's filtered, it's a self-contained clean room. The satellite mounts on a ring which is based at the rear here of the container. That ring allows the satellite under servo control to rotate through 360 degrees, to move over 90 degrees from the horizontal to the vertical, and to move up and down to give access for manufacturing processes that take place. So the satellite's loaded, contained in here, shipped maybe from Stevenage in the UK to Airbus in France, where further work takes place, and then it will be shipped on again to other locations. And the actual frame, the storage frame, is used as part of the assembly process, so it's multi-purpose and so on. Eventually, when the satellite's launched, the container comes back and goes back round the loop again, a little like the Beluga aircraft with components for wings and so on.
And when will it be ready?
It's the schedule for this is that it's going to be ready within 12 months. There's a design phase to continue, which is being done by the Nasmyth Group, and Airbus will obviously be working with us in that phase. Then there's a manufacturing phase. It's quite a complex system with complex servo systems, so the expectation is the latter part of next year.